Hello guys and welcome back on my channel again. In this video I will show you how to make a basic blog website for free without buying any kind of domain and hosting. How you can make a complete website for blogging and other purposes for free in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so stick with me in this video because I will show you how to create the complete website, okay, with the demo or live example. So if you want to make any basic website or blog for yourself, so you can make your own website or blog for absolutely free without buying any kind of domain and hosting using this video or using my guide. Okay, so if you want to see any blogs regarding my videos or anything, kindly check my website. The link will be in the description. So now let's move towards making our website. So I will make the website on WordPress. If you don't know about WordPress, so let me tell you what is a WordPress. Okay, so WordPress is a free website making engine where we can make free website and also make them online, okay, without buying any kind of hosting and domains. You can also upgrade your packages on WordPress and buy your custom domain, okay, the name you want for your website, and also hosting and other packages for special or premium features. But if you want a basic website, so you can make that basic website absolutely free on WordPress. Okay, so I will show you how to make a absolutely free website on WordPress. So let's continue. So first of all, let me open the WordPress. So just open your WordPress login. So over here I will click on create a new account. Okay, so if you want to make a WordPress website, you have to create account on WordPress. So I will click on create a new account. So WordPress is a very huge thing. Okay, so you can use free plugins and many things and themes which are available for WordPress websites. Okay, and create your own website as you want to. There are almost 50,000 plus plugins available for WordPress. Okay, and almost 30% websites in the world are made with using WordPress. So WordPress is a very powerful tool, and WordPress also provides its own SEO. Okay, so WordPress is the best way to make your own website if you want to make your website absolutely free without spending a single penny. So this is the login page for WordPress. Okay, so there are only three simple steps to make your own website on WordPress. So first of all, we will create our account using our email. So write your email and password and username. So this is how you will write everything. So I had paused the video and write myself so video don't get long. So you will write your email, then your username, and then your password, and then click on create your account button. Okay, that username already exists. So let's check this username. Okay, this is also taken. Okay, this is now valid. So the second step in creating your website is to give a domain to your website. Okay, so domain is the name of the website or the link of the website, as the name or domain for my website is codinggeeks@wordpress.com. Okay, so you have to give a name or a domain for your website through which people will search you. So give the domain name as you want to. Okay, and if you already have a domain, you had buy it on any other hosting services, so you can also add it clicking on the already own a domain button. So now I will write the domain name. So you can write anything you want to. If it will be available, so you will get that name, and if you don't, you won't get that name. Okay, so let me just write it. So keep that mind. If you want a free website on WordPress, then you have to give a WordPress uh, tag in your domain. Okay, so you can't take website to a name like example website.com or example website.net. Okay, so if you want such name, so you have to buy the domain. But if you want a free domain, okay, then you have to write WordPress in your website domain. So you can see that there are many web domains are available. You can see that example website.blog, example website.org, and you will also seeing the price of every domain, and you can see that these websites are free for 1 year. Okay, so if you want these website name, so it will be free for first year, but after first year you have to buy it. Okay, so you can see that these are all the names. Okay, so as I am showing you how to make a free website, so I will choose the first name, which is the example website dot 3087444515.wordpress.com. So if you don't like this name, you can also make a bit changes yourself. So but I will go with it, so I will select it. So after you will select the domain name, okay, so this page will come, and this page will ask you that to choose any plan. Okay, the WordPress plan. So there are 4 basic WordPress plans, and you have to buy them monthly or annually. So you can see that there is a personal plan which will give you email and live chat support, free domain for 1 year, and dozen of free themes. Okay, then there is a premium package, and there is a business package, and then there is a e-commerce package. So you can choose it if you want to upgrade your website. But as I am showing you how to make a free website, so you will click on the top button which is saying not sure yet, start with a free website. Okay, so after you will click that button, your website will be created. Okay, so it will take a short time, so I will pause the video until it will be created, and then I will show you that how it will be made. So after that, this page will come. So you can see that our website has been made. So if it don't be available on the domain name you had chosen, so give it some time, because it will be added to the search engine after some time. So if you want to see how our website is looking now, so you can click on view site button, and then you will get to see your website. Okay, so you can see that this is website. Okay, now so there are 4 pages which has been made automatically, which are one is home and one is blog. Okay, you can see that the blog page now. Okay, this is the blog page. Okay, and then you can see the about page. Yeah, this is the about page. And if you want to see the contact page, so you can see that there is a contact page. So this is a very basic website using WordPress. You can see that. So if you want to make any changes in the website, so you can make it now, and this website will be free for you, and you will also get free hosting with that website. Okay, you don't have to buy anything. So click on my sites button on the top left. So this website is not been published yet, so you can also see that it is saying that coming soon on the left side. Okay, so for publishing your website, you have to click on that get start button. So first of all, you will give a name to your website, so you'll click on name your site. So you can give any name to your website, okay, and then a site tagline, and you can also give any picture or some kind of logo. Okay, so I will write over here example website. So you can see that I had given a site title and then a site tagline, and there is my site address. Okay, and you don't have to change anything. Then click on save setting. Okay, then return to your home page. Let me just save the setting. Okay, we don't have to change anything in the performance section and any other section. So I won't tell you anything about that. So let's go back to the dashboard. Click on my sites. Okay, after that you have to we have to upgrade our home page. So click on edit home page. So I will edit it a bit if it is necessary to show you that how you can publish your domain, or I'm sorry, website. So click on edit home page button. So after you will click on edit home page, then this page will come. So it will ask you to edit your page. So this is how we can edit our page. Okay, so you can click on any section and you can edit it on the right side. Okay, so I think if you want to edit something, you can edit it, and if you want me to make a video that how you can edit a website on WordPress, okay, free website, and how to add free themes on your free WordPress website, so you can also comment down. So I will make a separate video on that, that how you can add free themes on free WordPress website and free widgets and extra features. Okay, so I will just do a little bit changes and then save it or update it. So it will take a time. Okay, so page is updated. So now I will go back to my dashboard again, and then it will ask you to confirm your email. Okay, so just go to your email and click on that confirm email button. Your email will be confirmed. So I won't show you in this video, but I will pause the video and confirm my email. So after confirming your email, so click on this launch your site button and then click on launch site. Okay, so this will publish your website. So it will take some time. So it is asking me to again that give an address to your website. So click on skip purchase and again click on continue with the website. So now your website has been launched on WordPress, or now anyone who can know the address of your website will be able to come on your website and see what you are posting and everything. Okay, so you can also see the analytics for your website over here and everything. Okay, so if you want to make me a video on how to add free themes in your free website, so uh, do comment, so I will make a video on it. So now your website has been launched. You can also view it by clicking on view site. I will just show you. Okay, so you can see that example website and make websites. I had add that those titles and taglines. So now you can see that this is how our website is looking. So you can edit it and change everything you want. So this is all for this video, and if you want to see any blogs regarding my videos, do check my website. And if you want to learn anything new about WordPress, then do comment. I will make a separate video. Okay, so thank you.